Hi, my name is Julia and I'm a product manager here at Infront. You might be using the Infront terminal to follow a couple of exchanges in real time, or maybe you're getting some news from a few sources, maybe you're even trading. But did you know that Infront can offer much more? The Infront Plus terminal that I'm about to show you offers unlimited real-time cross-asset market data, equity analytics, advanced trading features, and lots more. In this short video, I will try to highlight some of the features that our clients love and that I am sure you will find useful as well.
A good starting point is the Go page. Go page is a collection of predefined overview pages on the class asset or regional level. You can, for example, get an overview of the UK market by one click. In front of you is the UK overview page covering the main markets, as well as some of the important economic indicators. This is just a tiny part of the economic calendar available in the Infront terminal. Let's take a look at that. You can open a calendar by just searching for it. Economic calendar covers global economic as well as corporate events, and its display is based on a defined filter. By default, I am seeing today's economic events in the G7 countries. From here, you can view the previous, expected, and actual values on each and every indicator, as well as draw a historical graph. Also, you can set up repeatable alert by simply clicking on an alert box. You will be notified with a countdown box 1 minute before the event, and the values will be displayed as soon as they are available in a notification window. Moving on to market level data, let's search for an index, for example, DAX. Here's an index overview window displaying some of key data on the index, its performance, as well as leaders and laggers, that is, which stocks move the index most up and down right now based on their weightings. You can also see the intraday and historical graphs. Clicking on the index constituents will open a list of all the assets comprising the index. From here, you can drill down to a company view. Let's take a look at one of today's winners, Adidas. Company overview pages display important information on the company level, such as performance, past and future events, consensus estimates, and peer information. You can quickly display a historical chart, net sales, and net income trends. Also, a GPRV graph, which places the company relative to its peers based on the growth, profitability, risk, and value. In the Listings tab, you can see which other venues and FTFs the stock is traded on, as well as where you can trade options and futures on this stock. Infront supports full-text news search, which means you can search all the news stories for keywords. For example, for Adidas, I can search for earnings and find all of the news stories containing that particular keyword. You can continue analyzing your company with Infront Equity Analytics, covering over 100,000 listed companies globally. Financial statements, multiples, ratios, and estimates, all packed in an easy-to-use interface, provide you with strong tools to run your fundamental analysis. Let's take a look at the comparative multiples analysis on a predefined peer group. Here you can compare the companies, display important information such as consensus estimates, quotes charts, and company information, as well as get information on all of the calculated multiples in the table. You can also export the data to Excel for further modeling and analytics. Let's say I decided on purchasing €50,000 worth of Adidas, and I would like to know the transaction amount in my local currency. Infront has an FX calculator allowing you to calculate the forward price and amount of your transaction on standard and broken dates. In order to open the FX calculator, simply type in FX and define the currency pair you want to work with. Here, let's say I will buy it in 3 months and I will buy 50,000 of that share. The calculator returns the buy and sell amounts immediately. In case of periodic payments, you can set up a payment schedule displaying forward prices for each payment tenor. Infront is truly a cross-asset terminal with specialized solutions for funds and corporate debt markets. Fund Solution covers over 370,000 funds globally, including top holdings, key documentation, and tailored search engine to help you screen the market fast and efficiently. Corporate Debt Solution covers listed and OTC securities in the Nordics as well as listed securities in the major European markets and delivers pricing from several Nordic contributors. Yield Calculator allows you to price securities as well as perform relative spread analysis for decision making. Infront Terminal covers the needs of financial professionals in different roles in 27 countries. Contact us and experience our terminal for yourself.